Alright, tech enthusiasts, get ready. Today we're diving deep into the ultimate smartphone battle. We've got the cutting-edge Huawei Pura 90s Pro, the AI-powered Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, the powerhouse Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the iconic iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's see who reigns supreme. First up, display size. If you crave a massive canvas for media and multitasking, the Samsung and iPhone deliver an expansive viewing experience. The Huawei offers a more compact feel, while the Pixel strikes a great balance. When it comes to sharpness, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra truly shines with incredible pixel density, making everything look incredibly crisp. The Pixel also provides a stunningly clear visual experience, perfect for detail lovers. All these titans boast beautiful LTPO OLED panels with silky smooth refresh rates. But the Samsung takes the crown for sheer brightness, making it a joy to use even under direct sunlight. For durability, Samsung leads with Gorilla Armor 2 and a unique privacy display. The iPhone offers its ceramic shield and iconic dynamic island, while Huawei sports Kunlun Glass 2 for robust protection. Under the hood, we have a clash of titans. Apple's A19 Pro and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 are pure speed demons, while Google's Tensor G6 focuses on next-gen AI. Huawei's Kirin 9030S is a strong contender too. For raw processing muscle, Samsung's Orion V3 Phoenix cores promise blistering speeds for even the most demanding apps. Apple's hexacore setup ensures incredibly fluid performance across the board. Gamers, listen up! Apple's 6-core GPU consistently delivers top-tier graphics performance. Samsung's Adreno 840 is also a powerhouse, ensuring all your favorite titles run flawlessly with stunning visuals. In synthetic benchmarks, the Samsung S26 Ultra absolutely obliterates the competition, hinting at unparalleled raw power. Apple's A19 Pro also shows incredible performance, promising a lightning-fast user experience. This is where things get wild. Samsung's 200MP wide lens and dual telephoto setup offer insane versatility. Apple brings a pro-grade 48MP system with a unique 4x optical periscope and LiDAR. Google's computational photography, combined with its 5x optical telephoto, promises stunning results. Meanwhile, Huawei stands out with its variable aperture lens and RYY sensor for exceptional light capture. For video, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the undisputed king, offering ProRes, Dolby Vision, and even 3D spatial video. Samsung also impresses with its 8K recording capabilities, delivering incredible detail. Samsung's dedicated AI image processor and Huawei's SIPA 7.0 stabilization push boundaries. Apple's variable optical zoom and LiDAR scanner offer pro-level control, while Pixel leverages its AI for enhanced low-light and zoom. For your selfies, the iPhone 17 Pro Max offers a multi-aspect ultra-wide lens with a 3D depth sensor for unmatched portrait and biometric capabilities. The others provide capable ultra-wide or wide lenses for group shots. When it comes to endurance, the Huawei Pura 90s Pro leads the pack with its massive battery, promising extended usage. The Google Pixel and Samsung also offer robust battery life for demanding days. Samsung's S Pen integration and privacy display are unique. Google's Gemini AI and Titan M3 security are game changers. iPhone boasts satellite communication and a new UWB chip. Huawei brings advanced AI features for productivity. As expected, these are all premium devices. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and iPhone 17 Pro Max sit at the very top of the price ladder, reflecting their cutting-edge technology and luxury status.